Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas. We're here on deck 5 in the main dining room. Check it out. This is the main dining room. This is an elegant 3-deck high dining room. And check this out. We're here on deck 5. It's deck 4. And down there, you guessed it, deck 3. I like this old style classic dining room. Very nice. The main dining room here on the Explorer of the Seas. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Alright, let's check out the rest of deck 5. Alright, as we exit the dining room, here we are at the rear or midship elevator bank. Got this wonderful sculpture here that looks like a musical clef. Really neat. Royal Promenade up ahead. On the left side, of course, is a bar. Can't go too far without rehydrating. Short excursion's desk. And of course, guest services. Here in the promenade, where you'll find a lot of the shops. They're closed right now because we are in port. I wanted to show you the promenade. Instead of a car like on many ships, got a motorcycle here with a bear riding in the sidecar. Alright. As we go further down the promenade, on the left side is the English pub. This is the Crown and Kettle. It's a good name for it. The Crown and Kettle. And further up ahead here, got Freestyle Coke machine here. Looks like it's in use right now. And there's Cafe Promenade. It's a very popular place. Got some shops around here. Let's see if we can head down. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. You can't miss this. Sorry for the detour there. Almost missed the Star Lounge. Silly me. This is a huge venue here they have here. The Star Lounge. And of course, a bar. But wait, there's a secret door over here. Can't forget this one. It leads to the outside. And let me show you what's out here. This is always a treat. It's not accessible on all ships, but here on the Explorer of the Seas, we can actually access the Helipad. Alright, up the stairs. And check it out. We're on the helipad. We're here at the very, very front of the ship. Yes, you could do the Jack and Rose thing. Up here, you can show everyone that you're king of the world. We're in Dubrovnik, Croatia. It's a famous landmark, this bridge. But wait! There's this bridge too. Yeah. I always wonder, are they there looking at me saying, look at that silly guy up there. What's he doing? Ooh, nice breeze. Well, yeah, this is Dubrovnik, Croatia. Alright, sorry about that diversion. Just wanted you to see this. Get up on the helipad. Whew, it is hot out here today. Be nice to get back inside where the air conditioning is. Alright, let's get back inside. Oh yeah, some AC. And here we are back in the Star Lounge. They do events in here, trivia, bands play here. It's a nice sized venue here. Of course, get your favorite adult beverages. Okay, let's continue. Head down the stairs. Alright. Deck 4. Here we are at Giovanni's Table, one of the specialty restaurants they have on board. Giovanni's Table. Right across from Schooner Bar. Everyone's favorite, the Schooner Bar. Past the Schooner Bar, here is Casino Royale. Like you saw earlier, ship is in port, so we can video inside the casino, as they have to close the casino while we're in port. Casino bar. You got lots and lots of table games. And of course, slots. Plenty of slots. Slots. Got a sports bar here. The tavern. Got this trip hazard here. Not sure why. You need to take a step down to go step up. I don't know. That's crazy. But here, Park West. Take home some art. Access to the main dining room for deck 4. Ooh. Head down one more deck.
Weil es gibt extra Tonic-Gummibärchen.
You guessed it.
Not normally, honestly.
Deck 3. Main dining room entrance. The sapphire dining room. And here's also the entrance. To Studio B, the ice rink. Unfortunately, it's closed right now, so we can't show you that, but did want to show you where it is. A focus photo gallery. All these kiosks here, you can see those ship photos that the wonderful ship photographers have taken of you during the voyage. That's the Focus Photo Gallery. And here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. Again, we're on Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.